OrthoCarolina Sports Medicine Center is a really special place, and I feel very lucky to be part of it. We have amassed a group of 8 surgeons that are very motivated, very subspecialized, and driven to be the best that they can be.
Whether you are a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, the goal of OrthoCarolina Sports Medicine Center is to help you return to and even surpass the level of athletic performance at which you performed prior to your injury.
I certainly enjoy taking care of athletes of all ages, from 9 to 90, if you will, weekend warriors, professional athletes, and everyone in between.
At OrthoCarolina, we're sort of known for taking care of the high-profile athletes, our professional teams, our colleges. But really, 9 out of 10 people that come to see me are like you and me, guys that want to play golf and play tennis and stay active. So those people benefit from our experience taking care of the higher-level athletes because our therapists are focused on getting people back as quickly as possible, getting them to optimize their functional recovery. And those lessons learned on those players are translated down to the everyday patients like you and me.
Actively involved in research and education, our surgeons routinely perform some of the most innovative surgical procedures in sports medicine.
I think education is important not only as a surgeon but as a physician, continuing education. So if you're interested in teaching, educating others, I think that stimulates you to keep up with your own education.
You can't be a great surgeon without great training and education. And so I think we all at the Sports Medicine Center are very fortunate to have trained with the very best in the world in sports medicine.
It takes a lot more to be able to teach somebody how to do something than actually do it yourself. And I find that's one way I can keep my skills well honed.
If a surgeon's involved in research and education, they have to have a discerning mind and be someone who's always asking questions about how they can make things better. And I think that's the single common thread which makes academic surgeons better.
OrthoCarolina understands the demand for subspecialty orthopedic treatment. At the Sports Medicine Center, you will receive care from a physician that specializes in your specific injury.
What we did on the NFL level, we were really one of the first groups to have not just one doctor, but a team. I picked a spine guy, a foot and ankle physician, hand physician. So the athletes knew they weren't just getting the jack-of-all-trades doctor, they were getting a specialist in every area.
We have an abundance of surgeons who are experts in any small area of orthopedics, and we have such a high level of experience and a level of education that raises the bar really for any group that exists.
So you're not seeing perhaps a general orthopedic surgeon, you're seeing someone that's done additional training and focuses their entire career into treating the problems that they see on a day-to-day basis.
If I'm going to need toe surgery, I want someone who does a lot of toe surgery who's really, really good at it. And that's a philosophy that we have at OrthoCarolina. We have a lot of specialists that take care of a lot of areas very well.
With all the different access to partners and therapy and the different modalities we have, including working up with MRI, CT scans and such, I'm able to focus on what it is I can do the best.
At OrthoCarolina Sports Medicine Center, our physicians look forward to treating you with the highest level of professional care.
When we get in the airplane and the door is closed up in the cockpit, we're not quite sure who's flying the plane, but we certainly trust them to get us there. And it's nice to know that our team is going to be flying the plane and is going to get patients where they need to be.